Guys, so this is another opportunity to get instant funded account for a lower price, which is just $5. Okay, so this is an information publicly available on the internet. You can also do your own research about this. It's done by the AEON funded. Okay, AEON funded is giving 1K account for just $5, and it's instant funding. It's not what it's not an evaluation account. You just start trading on it and get reward for it. Okay, so I'll take you to their website, show you every way to go about this. So you must read and understand their terms and conditions before engaging with them. So remember, they said no consistency rule is part of this one, but other rules apply. Okay, so you must read about their rules before. If you are interested in it, you join them. Okay, so this is the code. Remember the code, and it's for limited time. You can see they write it here. Limited time offer. Don't miss it. Okay, so let's rush into this. So if you are watching this video after I upload for a very long time, know that this may not be available at that time. But for now, it's available. Okay, so let's check. So make sure you check the date of the video before you want to go and use this code for the account. It's Instant Pro account. Remember, so let's go to the website. So just go to any browser of your choice and type AEON funded. Okay, I'll post the link in my Telegram channel as well. So this is the website, and you have to scroll to the account side. So this is the account side. The rules are here. You must read why thousands of traders choose AEON. They have 90% profits placed, 24 hours payouts, and a lot instant funding path, unlimited trading days, scale up to 400K, dual book engine, everything is here. So when you come here, maybe your account can be on 2-step or 1-step. All is here. Just go through and select the right one. So we want to select instant pro. So we click on instant right here, and then the pro is being selected, and this is it. You get here with this code new year 50, you are going to get it for $12. But let's click on this and see if we can change there with the code right there. So I'll click on start now. Start now. And then when it take us to the next page, we'll see. I think we have to do registration and all that before buying this account. Okay, so yes, you have to do registration and all that. But because of security reason, I no more want to show my registration details online again. Okay, but make sure you do your own investigation when you're okay with it before you engage with them. And remember, this is the code. This is the code. Is the code that you use to drop the price to $5. Remember that this is the code AE5, AE5. Okay, and remember it's 1K account. Okay, guys, make sure you like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. That is the only way when I upload video onto this channel, you get notified. And then do well to get those accounts before the offer expired. Okay, I love you all for staying with me, showing the support and whatever you are doing to support my channel. Goodbye and see you tomorrow.